Brutal. Brutal. You're a big old bully, Harpy. Look at you. That's Harpy on the left and Phoenix on the right, the long coat and the short coat in the litter. And Z's right here has just been enjoying a little massage this whole time. Sweet girl. Here, sweet girl. And sleepy, huh? Hey, puppy. Yeah, where's sleepy girl? Hi. Hey, puppy. Poor little Phoenix is super feisty, so she's always starting wrestle matches, but then she's also the tiniest by far. So they usually end this way. Yeah. Sorry, buddy. Hey, sweet girl. Hey, sweet girl. Hey, sweet girl. Hi, puppy. Hi. 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 Hey there. Come on. Here we go. You're a good girl. She's a cuddler. She's so sweet. You're so sweet. Hi, look at those teeth. Yeah, you got so many teeth. What are we up to over here?